Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of e-bikes with a detailed review of the Engwe L20 SE, the city-friendly folding e-bike that's been creating quite a buzz. If you're an urban commuter looking for a compact, powerful and stylish e-bike, this might just be one for you, so let's get started. The Engwe L20 SE is electric bike, arrived well packed and secure. The packed bike weighs 38.4 kilos. Once unpacked, the assembly of the bike looks challenging, but it's not nearly as bad as you might think. The bike comes with the most of the tools you need for assembly. The instructions are clear and tell you exactly which tools you use, so it's honestly pretty intuitive. All in all, it took me about 40 minutes to put the bike together. If you're familiar with the basic handy tools and home repairs, you can handle it without any problem. First off, let's start about design. The Engwe L20 SE features a strap through the aluminum frame, which not only looks sleek but also makes getting on and off the bike a breeze. This frame design is perfect for those who might struggle with the higher frames or simply prefer a more relaxed style. Plus, it's available in 3 cool colors, so you can choose the one that best matches for you personally and style. The front basket is just the added bonus that we also liked, and it's also practical. I must say that the Engwe L20 SE is outstanding electric bike that seamlessly blends elegant style, powerful performance and outstanding portability. Whether you are commuting daily, exploring the city streets or hailing the autumn adventures, the L20 SE promises a comfortable and efficient ride with a touch of style on your journey. One of the key features of this bike is its load capacity. The foldable design allows you convenient storage and transportation, making it ideal for people with the limited space of those who travel frequently. In a few simple steps, this bike easily folds down to a compact size, allowing riders to carry it on a public transport, store in the tight spaces, or even store in the trunk of the car. It may not be among the lightweight ones we had, but in any case it further increases its portability, ensuring easy handling. The Engwe L20 SE provides excellent value for its features and performance. The L20 SE stands out as an affordable option while retaining key features and performance. With its powerful engine, long-lasting battery and useful accessories, this bike offers everything you need for a reliable and comfortable ride. This bike is an impressive choice for anyone looking for a quality, practical and stylish electric bike. One of the standout features of this bike is a 250-watt brushless electric motor. Despite its compact size, it delivers a solid maximum torque of 38 Nm, allowing for a top speed of 25 km per hour. In an urban test, the motor handled inclines with ease, operate quietly, making it perfect for city rides. However, if you are planning to tackle steep mountain trails, you might wish a bit of more power. Now let's talk about the battery. The Engwe supplies the bicycle with a large 36-watt 50.6 AA battery that offers an impressive range. It is housed a metal housing with a sturdy handle and a handy rotating cover for a charging connection. In assistant mode, you can cover up to 115 km on a single charge. During our test, we managed about 80 km with 20% battery left, which realistically puts the range around 100 km. Plus, it fills up quickly. The charging time is just about 5 hours, thanks to the Practical EU charging plug that is also extremely fast compared to the competition. The L20 SE has a beautiful color LCD display on the handlebar, providing essential information at a glance. This clearly shows how fast you're going, how much you can expect from the battery, and how strong the pedal assistant is. The electrical system is IPX2 waterproof. Within 5 speed levels you have great flexibility for different riding situations. We found that the level 3 was more than enough for city commuting. Safety and comfort haven't been overlooked either. The L20 SE is equipped with mechanical brakes, disc brakes, ensuring reliable deceleration. The bike offers 3 driving modes, purely electric bike mode and a pedal assistance, allowing for adaptation for any riding situation. The 20.0-inch tires ensure a comfortable ride, complemented by the adjustable suspension on the front fork and a saddle shock absorber. In our test, the mechanical disc brakes provides reliable deceleration, which is particularly important in urban traffic. Additional practical features include modern LED lights on both the front and the rear, enhancing safety during the night rides, and mud guards for both wheels. As I said, this bike is also IPX2 waterproof, making it suitable for a variety of the weather conditions. It boasts 20-inch wheels, achieving the optimal balance of maneuverability and stability, making it perfect for navigation in both urban environments and rough terrains. These responsible wheels enable smooth navigation through the crowded streets. Equipped with the front and rear disc brakes, the L20 SE provides a reliable stopping power and enhancing safety for rides. Disc brakes outperform traditional rim brakes, especially in challenging conditions. This e-bike features a Shimano 7-speed transmission, which enhances its versatility by allowing riders to effortlessly switch between gears to adapt to different terrains and personal riding styles. Incorporating a sophisticated shock absorption system, the L20 SE prioritizes the ride comfort by effectively dampening shocks and vibrations. This feature minimizes ride fatigue and promises a smoother, more enjoyable experience. The adjustable seat on the L20 SE allows riders to tailor their ride position for maximum comfort and ergonomic posture. By modifying the seat height, users can achieve an ideal fit, alleviating strain on the back and promoting a comfortable riding position. Despite its considerable weight of 31 kilos, the L20 SE achieves a harmonious balance between portability and stability. Its solid construction facilitates effortless maneuverability and transportability. The bike has plenty of power. It could easily carry me without any pedal input. It slowed down noticeably and it keeps going. If you pedal even a little bit, it's really speed up at a maximum speed of about 25 miles per hour, and the ride is quite comfortable thanks to the flat tires and the front suspension fork. The brakes provide the adequate stopping power for such a heavy bike. The L20 SE is not just powerful but also high practical. When folded, it measures a compact 99 by 43 by 75 centimeters, making it easy to transport at store. Weighing 31 kilos, it is on the heavier side for e-bike, but it compensates with a robust maximum load capacity of even 120 kilos, and it's suitable for riders riding from the 155 to 210 centimeters in height. For our height of the 175 centimeters, this bike was ideal. This versatility making the L20 SE an exceptional companion for a wide range of users. In conclusion, the Engwe L20 SE stands out as an exceptional e-bike that combines power, practicality and comfort. Its 20-inch wheels ensure a perfect blend of maneuverability and stability, making it ideal for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. The reliable disc brakes, versatile Shimano 7-speed transmissions, and advanced shock absorber system contribute to a secure, smooth, and enjoyable riding experience. The thoughtful design of the L20 SE, including the adjustable seat and robust yet portable constructions, ensures that rides of all sizes and styles can fit their perfect fit. With its impressive features and solid performance, the L20 SE offers outstanding value for those seeking a dependable, stylish, and adaptable e-bike. with impressive features of the L20 SE bike have caught your attention, and I'm confident they have. After this glowing review, you can find official sales links conveniently provided below this video. Engwe L20 SE it reached the lowest price of €849 in the mid-year sale, with €99 bike accessories combo as a gift, and with the coupon code below the video you get the additional discount. So take advantage of the promotional pricing currently available and order your very own Engwe e-bike today. Quickly, quantities are limited and you don't want to miss out. That's all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye.